Mapusa Additional Sessions Court has granted conditional bail to the accused John Parkinson, an UK national who was arrested by the crime branch in a raid at Vagator on 5th December 2023 for being in alleged illegal possession of various drugs worth 15 lakh rupees. Court, while granting bail to the accused, has observed that the accused was not searched before a gazetted officer or a magistrate in accordance with the Section 50 of the NDPS Act. The impact of the procedural lapse by the crime branch is not limited only till the bail, but it will also impact the trial in this case, because the Mapusa court has further observed that the seized drugs would not be admissible as evidence and cannot be relied upon in the trial by the prosecution, as held by the Supreme Court by a judgment dated 6th October 2023, which mandates that a suspect under NDPS Act must be searched in presence of a gazetted officer or a magistrate. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.